Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10. You'll need a new app to open this MS Windows Store. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Type Store. Select Microsoft Store, click Advanced Options. Click Reset. Click Reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it. Restart system. Third method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Check Upgrade this PC now. Click Next. Check Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.